Here is the puff. Here is the puff. Hey, so this video is for my mom. She's on vacation this week. She will get the privilege of enjoying Thanksgiving on a ship, on a cruise. So her very first cruise will be just like my very first cruise. My very first cruise I took with my then boyfriend, now husband. And we also enjoy Thanksgiving on a cruise, on a ship. So that was really interesting, really fun. And I know because since she's also a naturalista and she hasn't been seeing my videos for the last few days, she was gonna be like, how did you do that puff? And she's so funny. Like, I'll send her videos of people doing things with their hair because she's not very good with her hair. She will admit to it. I will say this because when I was younger, I used to want to be a beautician when I was younger, and I remember she would wake me up when I was in high school. Like, I would wake up a little bit earlier to curl her hair. Like, she would be the first to tell you she knows nothing about hair. She's like, I can make some mean ponytails. She could. I have a lot of pictures of a kid when I was a kid with like 80 gazillion ponytails. But no, she is not good with hair. She would tell you that. Which was part of the reason, like, hey, mommy, you should go natural because it does take a little work, but once you know what you need to do, it doesn't take a lot of work. So I'll send her videos like, hey, mommy, you should try this. Hey, mommy, do this. And she'll lose the video, but you can't lose a video that your daughter does. Right, Mrs. Hampton? So this video is for my mom to show her how I do my puff. So I did do a little extra with the greenhouse effect. Take off my shower cap here. So last night I didn't saturate my hair, but I did spray it down with some leave-in conditioner spray. And this was on sale at Meijer. It was on sale 2 for $7, and then I had a $5 off coupon with my Meijer app. So I was like, let me try this Pantene Goat Series Hydrating Buttercream. It smells divine. And then I used a little bit of L'Oreal Smooth Intense Frizz Taming Serum. And so I put that on my hair. I lay down my edges overnight with the curls. Blueberry Bliss Control Paste. And I pinned up my hair. So I clamped up my hair. So I'm taking out my clamps. I think I only did, no, I did 4. Take out my clamps. Making a mess over here. Okay, so here's my hair. It feels a little damp, but it was like super soft. It smells so good. All right, Mrs. Hampton. That is my mother. I call her Mrs. Hampton sometime. Mrs. Hampton, just because it's fun. So you take your scarf or your whatever you want to use. And my friend Tracy made these for me when I first went natural like 5 years ago, because I used to always wear like headbands because it's like I did like the little natural like curly cues around my head, so I've always did headbands. So she made me a ton. So Mrs. Hampton, my mother, is a seamstress, so you can make this Mrs. Hampton. It's just a piece of like polyester material. I don't know. Yeah. So tie this on as if I'm going to do a headband. And then I like tie it in the back. And then I just kind of keep pulling it up. Okay, now I have to put on my glasses because I can't see. Squirrel, sidebar, I got out the shower this morning. Dakota, the puppy, is like going crazy. I can't find her. I find her. So I come back and finish getting ready. I'm like, oh my gosh, where are my glasses? And it's hard to find something if you can't see. If you're trying to find something and you don't have your glasses, but the thing you're looking for is the thing that you need to find something with. It was real difficult. Like, if I took a good 3-4 minutes for me to find my glasses. Oh my gosh. Okay. I have this scarf headband, and I'm just kind of like keep pushing it up. Keep pushing it up. And you kind of just keep pushing it to like where you want it to be. I think that's good. And then you bring it around the front. Tie it. Roll the little brown or the rest of your scarf underneath. And voila. Actually, we're going to try this again because I don't quite like the brown part showing. Okay. We're gonna tie it. And we're gonna move it up. And like keep pulling, or not pulling, keep pulling the ends. And then once it gets to like this point, maybe tie it again so it doesn't get loose. Yeah, that's what I did last time. And then you like tuck the ends under. And there, I think I like this one better. Yeah, I like this one better. So take two. So yeah, I like this better. So it's not like a traditional puff where I took a ponytail holder, you know, like put it around my hair, because it's not quite long enough to do that. So it's like faux puff, faux puff, a faux puff. But this is my hair today. I kind of like it. I like it a lot. I'm super excited that I can do it. All right, I need to put on a lip. And I will say my morning is complete. I am done.